Hey, it's Jammy. Thai basil is the main ingredient in Thai cuisine. It's used in many Thai recipes. I'm in my apartment thinking about make myself some dinner. I am in the mood for pasta, but I want something spicy and flavorful. So I come up with the idea with spaghetti with Thai basil. How does it sound? Sounds good, isn't it? First, let's learn about Thai herb. Thai sweet basil, or we call in Thai Bai Hora Pa. These ingredients used in stir fry, curries, you name it. Thai holy basil, or we call Bai Gapao, is commonly used in stir fry dishes. Pat Gapao, finger root, or in Thai we call Gachai. It is similar to ginger, but it's different from the flavor and the scent. It's really good for your digestion. If you go to the Asian market, it's usually come in a jar or in frozen departments. Fresh peppercorn, green peppercorn, or we call prick Thai on, offers spiciness and aroma. It's really, really good. Lime leaves, or we call bai makut, provides citrus, flavor and scent. You guys know more about Thai herbs? Are you guys getting hungry? Let's start cooking. We crush this garlic and peppers. I'll put the stove on medium-high heat with the oil. I'll add garlic and generally that I just smash. Here. Really spicy and flavorful. Most of ingredients you can find in Asian supermarket or online stores. For some reason, if you can't have any access, finger roots, you can use ginger, lime leaves, you can use lime zest, basil, you can use Italian basil. I really want to hear your comments or questions or any recipe suggestions. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! I'm not sure.